welcome back, guys. So I've been, a little MIA for a few weeks now. A lot of catching up to do, but there's a lot of content coming, so I'll let you guys know that. Today I'm gonna take you guys around the tour. This is borderline District 1, District 3 at Vietnam's Notre Dame church, basically. You can see behind me is currently under renovation. But we are right in front of the post office, so I'll show you guys a little bit of a walking tour you can do here for a half day. So we'll go and check out that walking tour. We'll start off at the post office and then we'll head to the Book Street. And then from Book Street there, we'll head to Turtle Lake. And I think that's a good few hours you can kill in your day if you want to check out this part of Saigon here. So yeah, join me on the adventure. So this is a famous Dien here at District 1. It's Vietnam's International Post Office. You can see there's lots of tourists here. Lots of people coming by, lots of foot traffic. There's a space to be here in this little circle square here. Maybe I should buy a postcard and send out a postcard to you guys. If you think that's a great idea, leave a comment. I'll come back here and pick up a postcard and send that out to you guys. So you see there are lots of people here during the day. They have two souvenir shops here on both sides. Alright, that's a quick little tour of the post office. I'm gonna take you guys to Book Street, which is right next door here. So we'll walk over to Book Street over here, check it out.
Bao câu chuyện gì có những chân trong lòng anh đang nhói đau vì yêu em, nhiều lần em đã nói dối anh, có một chàng trai đang thầm yêu em, vậy mà vô
So you guys are out here in Book Street. You can check out this Funam Book Street Cafe here. It's a great spot to take a little break, get a cup of coffee over here, and kind of hang out a little bit. I'd probably recommend you guys coming out here like around later in the afternoon, about after 4 p.m. Because it is pretty hot out here in Saigon. So that concludes our tour of Book Street. From Book Street here, you want to head on towards Diamond Plaza, and from Diamond Plaza, you're going to head towards Turtle Lake. And Turtle Lake is a great place to go hang out at nighttime, so we'll skip on forward to that later and show you guys what Turtle Lake is like at night. I want to show you guys a little hidden gem up here. There's a terrace up here on the 5th floor of Diamond Plaza, which is right across the street from the Notre Dame of Vietnam. Yeah, check it out. It's a hidden terrace up here. Great views, perfect place to take a date. There's some coffees and restaurants and stuff like that up here. And come here like around 5 p.m. It's perfect view up here. Weather's nice. Check it out. If you are joining my journey, I just want to say thank you for following along on my journey so far. So just a little bit filler ins for you guys here. I have been traveling for the last 2 years. I started my trip out going to the East Coast from Los Angeles. I went to Chicago, New York, and then I made a little trek over to Spain. Visited Spain for the first time in Madrid, and then I went over to Barcelona. And then I decided to hop over to Rome, hung out in Rome for a few days, and then made my way over to Vietnam, and then I've been in Southeast Asia for a few months now. And, I hope you guys join me in this journey in Southeast Asia and, see what it's like. All right, from Diamond Plaza, you guys can head out and, you can walk out to Turtle Lake. Turtle Lake is basically about 2 blocks away from there, so like I said, this is all walking distance. It's all walkable. So a great way to spend a few hours here in Saigon. Tonight at Turtle Lake. I'll show you guys around the lake right here. Got a tour bus coming through right here right now. Traffic. when you walk around here, you can find some street vendors, lots of street foods around the lake here. I recommend you guys if you go visit District 3, you can do like a few hours out here. Start your day at the post office and then walk your way past Book Walking Street and then end your night here at Turtle Lake. People hang out here all night long until like 3 in the morning. There's lots of street vendors around the lake, and you see lots of people just hang out at the lake and chill out here. Nice and cool out here, so it's something different to do in Saigon.